Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to make this rice. As you can see, this is Mediterranean rice. Now this rice, I got it from Aldi. I believe Aldi or Lidl. I got it from Lidl. So I'm going to try this rice, and this is says ready in 90 seconds. You can cook it in the microwave, but I'm going to cook it on the stove top. So what I'm going to do first is just open the top and take out the rice. I'm going to break it apart nicely, and I have greased my pan a little bit so it doesn't get stuck to it. So as you see, when you take it out, it looks kind of like this. So now you need to break it. So I think if you want to make it a breakfast or a lunch, I think 2 package would be reasonable, because 1 package is really very tiny, not even a cup of rice. So it'll be like half cup. So, and this rice is a little bit hard, so you need to cook it a little bit. So what I'm going to do, see, I have greased my pan a little bit with olive oil, and I'm going to take out 2 packages of this and then break them apart nicely, so separate all the rice. And then I'm going to pour in it little bit of water, sprinkle a little bit, and put some chopped cilantro leaves. I think this has a lot of spices, so I don't need to add any spice. But if I do feel like I need to make it a little spicy hot, I might add it later. But for now, I'll just break it apart, put a little bit of water, and chopped up some cilantro leaves. So let me do that, then I'll show you the final outcome. As you can see, I opened 2 packages and I broke those things, the rice particles. They were pretty hard, so you need a little bit of strength to break them apart. And then I added some cilantro leaves and a pinch of spice, like pinch of garam masala and pinch of vegetable masala, just to spice it up a little bit. And I'm going to cook it covered for a few minutes until they are really soft. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.